Where are you from?
I'm from India.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have two kids.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
How do you feel?
I feel great.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love football.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading novels.
Are you a student?
No, I work.
What do you need?
I need some water.
Is this your first time here?
No, I've been here before.
How much does this cost?
It costs $10.
What's your plan for today?
I'm going to meet my friend.
Can I sit here?
Yes, of course.
What's your favorite season?
I love winter.
How is the weather today?
It was very hot.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym every day.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can make pasta.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Are you afraid of heights?
No, not at all.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Where were you yesterday?
I was at home.
Are you coming to the party?
Yes, I will be there.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually relax at home.
What do you do before going to bed?
I read a book before sleeping.
What do you like to drink?
I like tea.
How do you go to school?
I walk to school.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, I feel much better.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Alex.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
What do you do on holidays?
I visit my family.
Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
How long does it take to get there?
It takes about 30 minutes.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
What is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Christmas.